fish pickle. Let's get started. But first we're gonna marinate the fish. We are using 2 lb of tuna fish, nicely cut, washed, and drained all the water. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Two teaspoons of red chili powder. And salt. Mix. Marinate at least 30 minutes. What you will need is sesame oil, curry leaves, 3 tablespoons of red chili powder mixed with cashmere chili powder, crushed green chili, 5 crushed green chili, 1 big piece of crushed ginger, 3 whole garlic, turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon, Greek powder, and cayenne powder, and 2 cups of boiled vinegar. We already boiled the vinegar. Next, we're gonna fry the fish. Add enough sesame oil to fry the fish. Add your marinated fish. Fry both sides. Our first batch of fish is ready. In a different pan, add the same oil that you fried the fish. Add mustard seed. Add the crushed ginger and add your curry leaves. Once it gets soft, add your garlic. We're adding whole garlic. If you want to crush your garlic, you can crush the garlic. Add some salt. Now we're going to add the masalas. Lower your heat. Add turmeric powder, red chili powder, and cashmere chili powder mix. Sort this until the raw smell goes and add in your fish. The raw smell has gone away. Now we're gonna add our fried fish. Sort well. Lastly, add your boiled vinegar. Mix well. The vinegar is almost absorbed into the fish. If you want to make it drier, keep it in the heat for a little bit more. Turn off the flame. Make sure you don't add any water, and when you're using the pickle, use a dry spoon. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.